hard. We're beaten hard.
Let's see what's going on outside. Fuckrie outside, boy. See you sitting under the umbrella, Allah. Hitting the herbal tea, getting high.
No Batman thing if two man stand on the umbrella hitting a piece of weed. No Batman thing.
No Batman thing, you don't know what you.
But if it's just two man walking the street with an umbrella and thing
hugging up
and laughing and thing.
You don't know Spliff and Jevy, no Batman.
No Batman
we
thing.
burn Batman. We fuck pum and burn Batman. We don't fuck battery, fuck pum and burn Batman. Might get the head from my girl every once and then and say fuck it. You don't know.
But you don't know.
The guy will get head and say fuck it. But if she got, you don't know. Man be on second vibe. But you don't know bad man don't suck nothing but titties. At least some breast may try.
Yeah. No pump, don't suck that. You mustn't suck that thing.
When you take up, you see yourself lick she hand, no neighbor, no.
Yeah,
no toe, no finger sucking.
Yeah, don't suck.
Might be a kiss.
Don't suck pump, man.
Might be a kiss here and then, but you know, don't be sucking up too much tongue. You never know who tongue she tongue been in. Real man tongue, but she probably ain't like real man ball, but she probably kiss a real man. He probably 15 man. How old you guys get? Only 15. If you kiss a 15 man, you're 15. She got big ball and 2 man, I mean, okay. If you kiss a old man, we want kiss me for.
Yeah, see that thing.
I know peace spread and 2. And I can't believe this is so small and are the highest rate, boy.
You know, red girls here on some Fuckrie.
Red girls here on some real Fuckrie, but not like Trinidad and Jamaica and Cathy. Well, pure, virgin, tight. Woo! Hey, boy. This a little ounce, was a blessed ounce.
Half ounce.
A less half ounce. But we just chink it, pinch out that we pound and we 22 pound now. So we take out a half and say, alright, this go last.
Alright, this go last. We are week done.
When it's done, yeah. When this thing done, it's fire up the next one and done. Alright. Go there, stick out another half an ounce outside that patch and done. Hey, we go in, man. Machine, man. We call this guy with that machine, man. Run on that man with the equal.
Let's see that umbrella?
Be yourself, Joe.
Wow.
You think he get this umbrella, man?
You want to be umbrella? Hey, run, boy. Run, boy. Run, fire. Run, boy.
Come on, ask me. What kind of
hey, move the thing about something now. Yeah, that's so bad.
Yeah, I'm always on some far.
I think hit them balls down. Still hit them hard. But there's this girl that texting this real quick while doing it. No, you don't. Way boy.
Mr. Ziggy, boy.
Yeah, boy. And that's all. That Rainbow Six profile, boy, I real sick on that profile. Like, for some reason, boy, on my top of my profile be balls, but when I get on that sick that profile, boy, like I don't know.
So when I play that second profile, I'll be like, wait, boy, fuck everything, boy. Be self care. I just come in here to wet up, man.
Yeah, because when I play my sick one, I make sure I play balls. Alright, yeah, this thing.
Yeah, boy.
Done that thing now, boy.